The adventure of a lifetime. Emily had always dreamed of traveling the world. One summer, she finally saved enough money to go on her first trip to Italy. Excitement filled her heart as she packed her bags and booked her flight. When she arrived in Rome, the city welcomed her with open arms. The ancient buildings, the delicious food, and the friendly people amazed her. On her first day, she visited the Colosseum. Standing in front of the giant structure, she could almost hear the cheers of ancient crowds. She took many photos and felt like she was part of history. The next day, she decided to explore the streets of Florence. As she wandered through the narrow alleys, she discovered a small café. The aroma of fresh coffee and pastries filled the air. Emily ordered a cappuccino and a slice of tiramisu. It was the best dessert she had ever tasted. One evening, she joined a local group for a cooking class. They learned how to make pasta from scratch. It was messy and fun, and Emily made new friends from all over the world. Together, they laughed and shared stories about their travels. As her trip came to an end, Emily realized that travel was not just about seeing new places. It was about meeting new people, trying new things, and creating memories that would last a lifetime. With a heart full of joy and a camera full of pictures, she promised herself that this was only the beginning of her adventures.